Hello students, welcome back to Let Us Master English. Today I am going to introduce next topic of determiners, which is demonstrative determiners. In this video you are going to learn what are demonstrative determiners, usage of this, that, these and those, and then practice exercise for homework. And you can also find answers to lecture 1. Students, after watching the video, if you like it, please tap the thumbs up button. If you are a new viewer, please subscribe to my channel and give your feedback in the comment section. Let's get started. Now, what are demonstrative determiners? Students, the words this, that, these and those are demonstrative determiners. A demonstrative tells us about the location of something relative to our position. The word demonstrate means to show or to indicate. So this, that, these and those show us how near or far something is. Near or far can refer to distance or time. So this, that, these and those point to the objects denoted by the nouns that follow them. So whenever we want to show something to someone, usually we point out that thing using the words this, that, these and those. So these 4 words are the demonstrative determiners. For example, this man is a poor farmer. So here this indicates that the man is standing near the speaker and is singular in number. That horse runs very fast. So here that indicates that the horse is far away from the speaker and the horse runs very fast. Now students, let us learn more about the demonstrative determiner this. This points to the person or thing which is near the speaker. This takes singular nouns and singular verbs after it. So this shows that the person or thing is very near to the speaker and it is used for singular nouns and singular verbs. For example, this novel is very interesting. It means the novel which is near the speaker is very interesting. This purse is mine. This book contains inspiring stories. This is my cell phone. Is this pen yours? Now students, let's learn about the demonstrative determiner these. What is the similarity between this and these? This and these, they both refer to the thing which is near the speaker. So these point to the persons or things which are near the speaker. These take plural nouns and plural verbs after them. So these is used for plural and the things which are near the speaker. For example, these flowers are beautiful. These books are ours. These trees were planted by him. These buildings are really tall. These students are in my English class. Now students, let's learn about the demonstrative determiner that. That points to the person or thing which is far from the speaker. And that takes singular noun and singular verb after it. That means the thing which is far from the speaker, and that is also used for singular. For example, get that cat out of here. That purse is hers. I do not like that girl. That house is Mr. Gupta's. That little boy in the photo is my sister's son. So I hope the use of that is quite clear to you. And the next one is those. Those point to the persons or things which are far from the speaker. Those take plural nouns and plural verbs after them. So those is used for the persons or things, the objects which are far from the speaker and used for plural verbs and nouns. For example, those flats are for sale. Those buildings are the new police lines. Those trees were planted by him. Those books are yours. So students, I think this thing is quite easy and simple to understand. So now it's homework time. Fill in the following blanks with demonstrative determiners this, that, these and those. Now look at these pictures and then fill in the blanks. Now students, here you can find the answers to exercise of lecture 1, that is articles. So let us discuss these answers. Fill in the blanks with an appropriate article, a, an, the, or you can put cross wherever no article is required. Number 1, she is dash untidy girl. An untidy girl. Now here untidy starts with the letter U, but it gives the sound untidy, a sound. That's why we use an, because here vowel sound is there. Number 2, dash sun shines by day. So for the unique things, sun, moon, stars, sky, we use the. The sun shines by day. Number 3, dash rich are not always happy. The rich. So here we are referring to the whole class of rich people. My grandmother reads dash Gita every day. So here we are talking about the holy book Gita. And the holy books take the before them. The Gita. Number 5, I saw a 1 rupee note lying on the ground. Now 1 rupee note, although 1 starts with the vowel letter O, but the sound is 1, V sound. That's why here we'll use the article a and not an. Number 6, Mount Blanc is dash highest mountain peak in Europe. Now highest, high, higher, highest. So highest is a superlative degree, and before superlative degrees we always use the. Superlative degrees are preceded with the. The highest mountain peak. Number 7, this is dash 6th day of our workshop. So in the previous video you have learned that before the cardinal numbers we always use the first, the second, the third, the fourth, the fifth, the sixth. So once again, the 6th day. Number 8, he told me the funniest joke. So here also superlative degree is used, that's why the. Number 9, apples currently cost rupees 150 a kilo, means per kilo. Number 10, dash curiosity is a great trait. Now curiosity is an abstract noun, and in the last slide in the previous video we have learned that no article is required before abstract nouns. So here we have put a cross. Now students, the second exercise, correct the following sentences. So here you are required to rectify the error and rewrite the sentences. Bunny is going to USA. So we have learned USA, United States of America. Here we use the before it. So the country is in plural. Bunny is going to the USA. Number 2, Simran is a best friend of mine. Now best, good, better, best. So best is the superlative degree. So instead of a, we need to use the here. Simran is the best friend of mine. Number 3, I saw an elephant in zoo. So elephant. So here vowel sound is there. So we need to use an. I saw an elephant in zoo. All boys reached the hall in time. So here all the boys reached the hall in time. Number 5, editor of Tribune is known to me. Now name of newspaper. So we must use the before it. Editor of the Tribune is known to me. So students, with this we finish this lecture, and thank you very much for watching this video, and for more such videos kindly subscribe my channel. Please do not forget to press the bell icon for the latest update. So students, please like, subscribe and share my channel. Thank you very much.